Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisi Wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. uThabiso Monyane bafethu ubuyile from injury, recovery from injury. Kusho ukuthi injury yakhe beyingekho that difficult or beyingekho that deep. But-ke kunama-player awu-2, uFrost la udlalile laphana ku-right back noSolomon badlalile bakwazile ukusikhava kahle lesa sikhala lesa. But umbuzo omkhulu uthi uThabiso Monyane kumele abuye immediately laphana as i-right back eKaizer Chiefs because he has been by far one of the best right backs in the country, if not the best right back, especially for the past 5 games la bebadlala kahle kakhulu. Kumele bam-introduce kancane kancane kungajahwa cause maybe injury yakhe izoqalela phansi. If fully fit ukuthi adlale masibuya kwi-international break because ngimbonile ejima ku-Kaizer Chiefs few times. So I mean kuzoba nzima for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-maintain i-momentum because i-momentum yabo istopile because amanye ama-player they are in and out. Akusiwo uThabiso Monyane kuphela bafethu injured or obuya ku-injury, uMako, uNdlovu, uMonyane, uDodli, uMsimango. So nje it's very difficult laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Fit again already contributor but kumbuzo lo ngubuzile bafethu ukuthi ubuya straight noma-ke because oSolomons badlale kahle kakhulu bafethu. uSolomons especially uSolomons udlale kahle kakhulu. Immediately when Thabiso Monyane was dropped because of injury, uFlosa udlalile lesa sikhala lesa but he was easily exposed. Sibonile game against iSkhukhune United la batargetha iside lakhe leli lakwa right back and then bam-expose kakhulu bafethu. So ithini indaba ime kanjani bayimise kanjani laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs and let's not forget ukuthi uThabiso Monyane that time edlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs azange iconcede negoli elilodwa and they be unbeaten first 5 games of the season. Akusiyo coincidence leyo. I mean i-hard work overall nje ku-Kaizer Chiefs nokubonisa ukuthi i-team beyinsinki bakwazi ukusebenzisana kahle. Cause isikhathi esiningi amanye ama-team thola ukuthi a-attack-a from esayidini. Guess what? uThabiso Monyane was rock solid and mawumake yena isikhathi esiningi or makakumakile wena makathatha ibhola uya-count and mayi-counter is forcing i-attacker or i-wing ukuthi nayo i-turn to i-defense or i-defende laphana overall. So I mean i-return ichaza ukuthini overall bafethu uThabiso Monyane. uThabiso Monyane u-recovery fast obviously is one of the most anticipated comeback laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because of kuyaxega manje izinto like azikho tight, seba-confused nabo abazi ukuthi bakuphi but-ke sazi ukuthi u-pick up i-injury ejimini bafethu ngama-last minute but-ke siyazi ukuthi u-top form uyakwazi uku-overlap strong futhi ku-defense usolid in terms of i-communication yakhe nama-center backs like badlale kahle kakhulu under i-guidance yakhe yena. uThabiso Monyane is one of the standard performers for i-Kaizer Chiefs especially for the first 5 games yabo le bengisho vele. So i-presence yakhe yenza i-difference or umehluko omkhulu bafethu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs meyidlala laphana meyikhona uThabiso Monyane i-Kaizer Chiefs ibonakala i-more organized and i-more confidence ku-position, i-better balanced futhi ikwazi ukubuilda from the back. So ubuyile after some weeks, 2 weeks or so lapho nje kuma-sidelines. A tricky call obviously for technical team bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izodecide ukuthi do they rush him back ukuthi adlale immediately knowing ukuthi ukumletha kuzoyenzelani i-team or bayamanage i-situation overall, bamanage ama-minutes wakhe carefully uku-avoid ukuthi mhlampe i-injury iphinde imbambe futhi le beyimphethe because siyazi ukuthi i-injury khona i-injury othi ubuyile bakuthinta nje back to square one. So sobona ukuthi bazomisa kanjani laphana nanokuthi bazoplana izinto kanjani. I mean i-competition laphana ku-right back siyazi ukuthi ayikho that easy but uThabiso Monyane really tried hard to make i-position ukuthi kube yakhe. uSolomons beyangakadlali up until uThabiso Monyane elimala bafethu bekungabonakali ngathi uSolomons uzoba ne-chance but guess what? uSolomons bamnikile i-chance. I think the first time ngimbona bebadlala nale team Cabo Scon leyase-Angola second leg laphana e-FNB Stadium but guess what? udlale solid ama-counter attacks nayo uyawashaya going forward. In fact he's one of the most improved players this season. I mean defensively discipline uyaphambili nayo uqala ama-counter attacks but ulega leyo aggression leyo but ubonisile i-maturity kuleya position leyo ukuthi udlale kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean he's one of the few fighters laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs even though i-Kaizer Chiefs ingenzi kahle but-ke i-performance yakhe umfowethu yena igudi kakhulu laphana. So I mean i-physique akafani obviously noThabiso Monyane in terms of lento le aggression le bengikhuluma ngayo bafethu but-ke ngoba uThabiso Monyane umshangane uThabiso Monyane uyafika eKaizer Chiefs but already brought in i-consistency laphana ku-right back. So umbuzo omkhulu ukuthi uSolomons wenze enough now ukuthi alwe noThabiso Monyane for isport or uThabiso Moyane mebuya lawo ama-player wethu azoba highly motivated, aba-involved without noma kuthiwa baya-change without ukumosha i-flow of the team. But yiphi i-flow of the team? Because i-team ayenzi kahle in terms of like generating those goals. They're creating opportunities, but they're lacking lapho nalapho nje ama-details amancane bafethu, because ibhola it's a game of fine details, or ama-details lawa amancane yiwo enza izinto zenzeke laphana ebholeni overall. But yeah, it's not gonna be easy, but I think they need the healthy competition efana nale, ukuthi when other guys are given an opportunity to represent themselves, or they represent the team, they give it their all, knowing that ukuthi umuntu osebhenchini naye uready ukulo contributor for i-team. I think lokho kuyama-motivate. Ku-conference ka-Solomons uthe yena umjabulele kakhulu uThabiso Munyane the way beperforma ngakhona, even though boku-difficult for yena ukuthi angatholi ama-opportunities ukuthi adlale, but beka-make sure ukuthi uhlala motivated, nanokuthi whenever is given a chance to play u-ready, u-healthy, and then ucommunicate nabo-coach ukuthi anga-improve aphi, alungise izinto laphana overall. I mean, yabona-ke njengoba kusho ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukanje, i-good management ifunekala lapho-ke, ukuthi ubani ozodlala, i-decision making e-proper. But i-Kaizer Chiefs iya-struggle in terms of i-management, or noma ngithi i-technical team ukwenza ama-good decisions. I mean, sibonile kule game le ababashaye kuma-penalty ukuthi ama-subs wakhona bangekho solid in a way. You are chasing the game, but ufaka umuntu ozoba i-anchor ongekakunike that much going forward. You wanna win the game, ufaka umuntu ongakaze adlale ne-season just ukuthi azoshaya ipenalty, akana-confidence lo muntu lo, flat footed uma ngikhuluma ngoMorris. So i-management e-good ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or i-technical team o-coaches abagude abazothatha iy'nqumo ezi-right ezibhenefitha i-team, ba-important-ke kule moment le. I mean, Kaizer Chiefs bastruggle ngama-injuries kakhulu this season bafethu, because of mhlawumpe ama-players maybe amanye bawarashile, but-ke uDotley-ke nangalikhumbula iplayer abalirashile ukuthi libuyele ejimini, uGiven Msimango. uGiven Msimango bekubonakala ngathi ka-recoverile, ngimbone straight eNaturena ejima. I remember eNaturena ejima, I think it was last month or a couple 5 weeks 6 weeks back, bejima laphana ne-team, but and then ngathi yaqalela phansi-ke i-injury yakhe, because ngathi uqala ukujima too early. So yiyo lawo ma-small details bafethu kumele balungise, ba-make sure even ne-medical team ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bayasizana overall for a benefit of i-team bafethu, hhayi okunye. I-team important, kumele i-benefit, not just ukuthi babheke mhlawumpe iside elilodwa, but-ke babheka i-team as a whole ukuthi, and then babe careful, even baya-rotate, babe careful ama-player bawa-teste like kuma-sessions wabo before they reintegrate the players fully egrawundini. uMcCarthy bambuyise immediately after i-injury yakhe encane laphana, guess what, ama-game maybe azange aperforme kahle for 2 games, sesimbona nini, seyahlala ebhentshini manje uMcCarthy, but uqala i-season highly motivated, adlala kahle kakhulu. So i-management nje ukuthi ni-manage ama-player kanjani, then i-decision making yeni kanjani, kula enizobhenefitha khona kakhulu overall for i-Kaizer Chiefs. So Umunyane njengoba fit, but-ke asazi match fitness, ukufit bakhe uyajima, isi-match fitness nanokuthi usharp kangakanani, it's another story leso. And it takes time ukuthi uthole futhi let's say i-rhythm again, i-pace ne-confidence ukuthi udlale for 90 minutes, especially kuma-game lawa ane-high intensity. So yeah, ngeke kube just straightforward for yena ukuthi avele abuye, but if bayamthemba uThabiso Munyane nayo une-will, une-strong, u-hungry, and then the desire to succeed, and then mentally ufit, and the most important thing, physically ufit, hayi ukuthi mabathinteka uzophinda alimale futhi. So medlala laphana uMunyane bafethu, ushape i-Kaizer Chiefs uyayitshentsha kahle, u-eda so much bafethu, i-pace, i-aggression, i-ability yakhe yokupressa laphana high egrawundini, aforce ama-opponent ukuthi adlale ama-long balls isikhathi esiningi, because and leyo nto leyo isutha ini i-back four ye-Kaizer Chiefs, because banayo i-height, banayo i-aggression yabo kwinika ukuthi they can deal with lawo mabhola lawo kumele bawakhiphe. uSolomons-ke meanwhile, uSolomons siyazi ukuthi ube good kula ma-game lawa wadlalile, in terms of i-position yakhe nokuya phambili u-good in terms of uqala ama-counter attacks, just nje i-final product, yabona mase kufika u-final product kula abhayiziseka khona, but otherwise angakwazi ukucontribute overall laphana for i-team. But it dependa when you need aggression, unayo loo nto leyo contribute, but-ke I don't think is trusted more than uThabiso Munyane. But we'll see ukuthi badlala ne-team enjani, and then kuya nge-team abadlala ngayo. But uThabiso Munyane noma kuthiwa badlala nayiphi i-team is able to contribute and ready to give everything for the team, which is i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-debate-ke, well, i-debate is not even about ukuthi ubani ongcono. Kuya ngokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ukudlala ibhola liphi on the day, but licishe liba identical ibhola labo, but uThabiso Munyane une-aggression, une-stamming more. It's not easy ukuthi umbhithe, whereas abanye kulula. uFrostline angifuni nokumfaka-ke kule nto le bafowethu, in terms of i-defense poor. Kuya phambili is giving them so much because he's comfortable on the ball, but-ke i-speed sakhe, ibhalansi yakhe is good ukuya phambili, but okunye is not giving them that much in terms of i-defense, akanaso naleso speed leso. So yeah, but more defend overall, the confidence is everything, and then i-confidence siyayibona laphana kuThabiso Munyane. I mean, lawa amagame awadlalile, amagame awu-5 ukuthi bangaluzi, bangaconcede negoli elilodwa, i-lineup yabo bese-strong, and it should tell you or us something ukuthi bekune-structure ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ne-communication engcono, enhle kakhulu, encomekayo. I mean, beba-organize, and then yena bekwazi ukuthi okay uyahamba, communication yakhe good, bakwazi ukumdraftela, bavala iside lakhe, but-ke noma akudingeki ukuthi ulivale isikhathi esiningi iside lakhe Munyane, because when he loses the ball uyakwazi ukutracka back, abuye immediately akhavele i-team yet again. So even if uSolomon uperforma kahle, but uThabiso Munyane into ayilethayo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, uletha i-leadership ne-presence yakhe stronger than eyakaSolomon. So izinto uSolomon mhlawumbe angazileka under pressure yena overall. Sikhumbule okunye esingakumention ukuthi I think i-game it's about mentality bafethu. If you're not strong mentally, you'll never make it. At the same time nokudila nama-injuries, sikhumbule ukuthi Thabiso Munyane vele ama-injuries amhluphile laphana Orlando Pirates. So ukuthi abe-injured yet again ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bese sokuyinkinga eserious ukuthi okay i-Kaizer Chiefs izodila naye kanjani, uzoba kuma-sidelines isikhathi esiningi noma uzokwazi ukudlala na ama-match. Le question, and then so lokho siyibuza isizini yonke. Why? Because isizini inde, sobona ukuthi uzoba available kangakanani uThabiso Munyane. Already uMarco sethola ama-injuries awu-2 bafowethu, 2 injuries aqeda ukufikela ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So I mean, just have to wait and see, and then sobona ngempela ukuthi uyozala nkomo njengoba isizini iqhubeka. Yeah, sibone. I think what we saw kuMunyane ukuthi u-hungry bafowethu, uThabiso hungry, and then ufuna ukuziprova laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Because Orlando Pirates he was dropped to a third choice laphana ku-right back. So ku-Kaizer Chiefs opportunity yakhe ukuthi laphana aziprove kakhulu ukuthi okay he's there and he's willing to compete and give everything for the team. And then so far uziprova kahle kakhulu. Ama-performance has been one of the standout performers for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall. Even nalaphana, I remember aqeda ukusayina, asajima ne-Kaizer Chiefs behind closed doors, abantu bathi this could possibly be the biggest signing i-Kaizer Chiefs. Bebangakaba-8 abanye abantu, like earlier on that time i-Kaizer Chiefs iqeda ukusayina yena noMarco, I think ya-announce noShinga, then late noChesley, but uMunyane is counted amongst the best signings for i-Kaizer Chiefs kule transfer window esibuya kuyo overall bafethu. Yeah, I mean sobona ukuthi bazobhalansa kanjani overall, ukuthi maybe against bodlala nani, AS Simba le yaseCongo, maybe bangamnika a few minutes ukuthi aregain that match fitness kancane, or bangavele ba-risk ukuthi bamnike 90 minutes, and then days later-ke bazodlala neSwelele FC, possibly bozodlala-ke lapho because base-home. I mean, we just have to wait and see. Plus ukutravela une-injury or ubuya kwi-injury, but kuyoya ngayo uThabiso Munyane, uke wadlala ku-continental level ku-Orlando Pirates, so unayo experience enkulu on the African continent, angakwazi ukusiza i-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu, ayi kancane futhi. It's been obviously is missed kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs in terms of what it brings to the game overall. But yeah, season ye-Kaizer Chiefs bayazama nkosi yami, but baqale kahle kakhulu, but now they're dropping, so kubonakala ngathi babuyela back to le Kaizer Chiefs lesiyaziyo. They have to go all out ukuthi ba-avoid-e le nto le ukuthi babe i-Kaizer Chiefs le last season le edrobha ama-points noma ikanjani. Sekuqalile against ama-team amancane laba-dominate i-play khona ba-create ama-opportunities, they have no reason yokuthi bangakwazi uku-collect ama-point. But yeah, sobona ngabo overall ukuthi izinto bazo-deliver or they won't deliver. But Thabiso Munyane is back. Danko bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. This is Nkuli Soccer.